Hello friends, most welcome to another tutorials. First of all, like and subscribe my YouTube channels and watch my videos and share my videos and share the videos and friends. Most welcome to another tutorials. First of all, I discuss that how to object a finder works. With object finder turned on the which it is default, Photoshop will first analyze and the image is looking for the object that you want to select. While it is looking, rotate, arrows, icons and the options bar will spins. Any object it finds then will be highlighted in the blue. When hover a mouse cross over them, you can click on the highlighted object is the instantly select. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.